This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin now. Put the AirPods charging case on a soft, flat surface and open the lid. Remove the earbuds so nothing shifts. With your thumb and forefinger, press the silicone near the hinge to create slack. This first push changes the tension and lets the material start to peel away without stressing the case. Once you feel give, keep that pressure and move to the lower edge. Make small, controlled movements so the silicone separates from the case evenly. Continue by peeling the silicone slowly around the case, either clockwise or counterclockwise. Choose one and stay consistent. You want to lift in short sections, using a fingernail or a plastic pry tool. This reduces the risk of tearing. Make sure to free the charging port area carefully, because debris can collect there. If the hinge feels tight, pause and peel the adjacent side further to reduce tension. This prevents sudden snaps. Once the sides are loose, the back and base will follow with minimal force. To finish, slide the final edge off by pulling away from the case while supporting the inner plastic to prevent bending. Inspect the case and silicone for lint or adhesive residue. Wipe both with a cloth dampened in 70% isopropyl alcohol and let dry. If the cover is stubborn, warm it gently for 10-15 seconds with a hairdryer on low to relax the silicone, and try again. Do not use metal tools or excessive heat, because that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.